RIHousing created this tool with PolicyMap to share information about housing needs and housing investments in communities throughout Rhode Island. A PolicyMap embedded mapping tool, or widget, is a customizable instance of PolicyMap with dynamic features and targeted data. This widget gives users the opportunity to learn about housing in their communities using RIHousing program data alongside census data. This tutorial will teach you how to use a PolicyMap widget, access and add data to the map, and generate reports on the fly for U.S. congressional districts, state Senate districts, state House districts, and municipalities throughout the state of Rhode Island. This widget is accessible for public use through RIHousing's website. Find it at rihousing.com/policy-map. You can use the Set Location bar to search for locations such as address, county, or municipality, or select an option from the drop-down menu to zoom to particular census tracts, census block groups, school districts, and more. Use your mouse scroll or the plus and minus symbols in the top left to zoom in and out on the map. Data is housed in the orange New Map menu in the top left of your page. This menu has been carefully curated by the RIHousing team and includes indicators on demographics, housing costs in stock, federal opportunity zone designations, and RIHousing program data. Navigate the menus and add data by clicking each header. In this example, by selecting demographics, income, median household income, the map populates with a data layer showing median household income in Rhode Island. Change the geography of your data display by zooming in or out, or by toggling the Shaded By drop-down menu in the top portion of your page. The data description, also in the top of your map, will provide additional detail about the data, its source and year availability, and surveying or processing notes. The legend will display each range and associated shade of purple on the map. Each data legend allows you to display historical data where available and to change the variable on display. In this case, median household income can be displayed as dollars, percent change since 2000, or percent change over the past 5 years. Find out more information by clicking a location on the map. Let's zoom in to Providence. Here, we can see that the median household income in this block group is $84,375 as of the survey period between 2013 and 2017. The information bubble which pops up will provide geographic context. For example, the city had a median household income of $40,366 during that same period. Let's navigate to a point dataset. By selecting RIHousing program data, then developments from the new map menu, we will see developments populated on the map represented by red dots. These points provide more information when you click on them. Attributes for each development in this case include address, development type, number of units, and number of affordable units. To further explore a point data set, use a filter in the legend. Here, you can apply additional criteria to points displayed on your map. Select a filter on year of closing or on development type. You can color code all categories or select a subset of points to display. RIHousing and PolicyMap have produced a custom report to share data on the state of housing in Rhode Island. These reports give more detailed information about specific areas so that legislators, partner organizations, and the public can learn more about what's happening in their community. You can create these reports yourself by selecting any location on the map when a data layer is displayed. When clicking an area of interest, the information bubble will show you what report boundaries share that geography. For example, by clicking here, the report can be generated for Rhode Island's 1st U.S. District, State Senate District number 32, State House District number 68, and the municipality of Bristol. Let's run a report for Bristol. Reports include a summary of RIHousing program data, demographics data, and housing data in the geography selected. The map on top of each report shows locations of RIHousing developments in the area. To print this report, select Download PDF in the top right. Report headers are dynamic. Let's select housing data to be brought to the last section in this report. Here is data on housing stock and tenure and housing costs in Bristol, Rhode Island. Hover over graph elements to learn more about specific data points. For example, under housing stock, you'll see that small multifamily buildings with 3 to 19 units make up 19.4% of the total stock of Bristol. Citation information is available under each report section. Each data point and graph in the report is also downloadable for your own use in research or presentations. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this tutorial for the RIHousing and PolicyMap widget and reporting tool. If you have additional questions about how to use this mapping tool and report, or the data contained within, please contact nkumar@rihousing.com. Thank you.